It just makes our family proud to give Being Human as a franchise to Dhaka, to Bangladesh as its first franchise. And I'm so glad that these boys have taken it. When I entered the store, there is a lot that Being Human asked for, where the specifications are concerned, where the area is going to be, if families can come. Because if you see the clothing, it's actually, when you talk about movies, and you talk about the movies that my family makes, that you can all go together and watch a film, Being Human stores are that kind, that you actually can take your grandmother, your mother, yourself, a part of the sales of what you buy, it gets contributed to charity. So remember one thing, that whenever you buy a Being Human garment, you have helped a needy. And that's the most important thing. So bless the store. The press has the power to take the positive energy to the people. And actually what our family started as a charitable organization, and through the business of Being Human, we give everything away to the needy. So I'm so happy when I came here to Bangladesh. I'm overwhelmed with the love, with the affection, and I genuinely believe that this store will do very well. And once this store does well, a lot of elderly people will benefit, and that is the end result. So thank you very much for being here. Bangla, all the very best. I feel fabulous. The love, the affection. Everyone here, if you realize that they all are smiling. Everyone is happy. Everyone wants to be here. And everybody wants to be a part of this beautiful opening. For me, that's the best feeling. I was nervous myself that I'm coming to Bangladesh, and how is Being Human as a brand going to be accepted. It is being accepted so beautifully. Because as they say in Hindi, niyat, the intention is very pure. And when the intention is pure, I think we bring smiles to people's faces, and inshallah, the store will do well. He's got a very tight schedule at the moment, and there was a time zone where they had to open the store because they'd committed. So sadly, he couldn't make it, but yes, I do represent him. And if he was here, I think he would have been 10 times prouder than me and happier seeing this kind of love and affection.
বাংলাদেশে যতগুলো ডিস্ট্রিক্ট আছে সব ডিস্ট্রিক্টে একটা করে করা, মিনিমাম একটা করে করা, কারণ এই ব্র্যান্ডের কাপড়, এই ইন্টারন্যাশনাল লেভেলের কাপড় তো আমাদের দেশে কম। সো এটা দিয়ে একটা স্টার্ট। আর সালমান খানের কথা চিন্তা করলে সে তো সবার ফ্যান, শুধু ঢাকার ফ্যান না, তো তার ফ্যান তো পুরো সবকটা ডিস্ট্রিক্ট আছে, তো সবাই ডিজার্ভ করে। তো আমাদের প্ল্যান হচ্ছে পুরো ঢাকার বাইরে যাওয়া এবং সব জায়গায় এটা ছড়ায় ফেলা।
Your Excellency, how long you would like to stay in Bangladesh for seeing the beautiful Bangladesh?
So unfortunately, even I'm at work, and I made time to come here for this occasion. But I'm here for the evening. I'm here to have the great the Bangla food. I'm waiting to have my lunch because I came here in the morning. I've not had breakfast here. I woke up and I came straight here. So inshallah, I'll go and eat some good relish, some good first. Fish. Mirchi biryani, and then probably have dinner. I'm flying back tomorrow early morning to Delhi. I have work in Delhi, but I'm so glad I came here. And believe you me, food no food, love is in the air. अगर मुझे परसों मौका मिला, मैं परसों ही आ जाऊंगा. So the message, I feel, what we should be given by us, that we sometimes don't wear shirts, but you all should wear Being Human shirts.
Thank you.
Oh yes, I see a lot on my channel. I enjoy them, but sometimes it's a little tough to get the accent and the language. But when you see, it's very close to our culture. It's very close to our culture. So when you see it, you enjoy them because it's the same song, dance, hero, heroine. So yeah, so there's good fun. I do. They will come together soon. The whole world is coming together. So Hollywood and Bollywood, soon there will be actors that will merge, because yours is a very growing industry. Yours is a growing country now. And I feel media, movies, I mean, what happened to Bollywood 50 years back? It was only Hollywood. Then happened to Bollywood. Then Tollywood. So you guys are not far. Just be at it. And inshallah, you guys, where films are concerned, will be in the world platform. Yeah, of course. I think it's, so basically it is his shop. so he should come one day.
We can expect that he'll come.
I can't commit that, but I know for a fact that whenever he's in this side of the world, he will surely come. Ami Bangladeshi she bhalobashi. Thank you. Love you guys. All the best.